Okay, Convex M Series. How to set up a Canbus. Okay, go to the full menu. Okay, the car setting. Okay, right bottom. This one is setting. Setting icon. The password 000000. So the first one, car type setting. Let me show you for the sample for Volkswagen. Race. Okay. VW Volkswagen. Okay, you choose for your car model. You click it. Before you click it, then you have to choose OK. And before that, you have to connect the Wi-Fi. Connect your hotspot or home Wi-Fi for internet for update, app update. Alright, thank you.